Hi, welcome to the Olympiad geometry. Let's continue our study. Before we start, if you think this video is helpful, please click the like button, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Here we're going to talk about the problem of the day 12. In triangle ABC, line L is passing through point C and in parallel with AB. Angle bisector of angle A meets BC on D meets L on E. So let's just draw the figure first. A, B, C, L. So this is the angle bisector of angle A meets BC on D meets L on E. The angle bisector of angle B meets CA on F meets L on G. If GF equals to DE, prove that AC equals to BC. So for this kind of problem, we need to think a way that assume we give the assumption here that AC does not equal to BC, right? For example, AC is smaller than BC. And we want to find a way to prove that if AC is less than BC, we would have confliction, which means that AC is forced to be equal to BC, right? So let's give the assumption here that AC is smaller than BC, which means angle A is larger than angle B, right? Angle A is larger than angle B. And we already know that angle CED equals to half of angle A, right? And angle ECD equals to angle B. And angle CGB or CGF equals to half of angle B. And angle GCF equals to angle A, right? Which means angle CDE equals to 180 degree minus half of angle A minus angle B, right? Angle CDE, this angle equals to 180 degree minus this one. This equals to angle B, and minus this one. This equals to half of angle A. So, and also angle CFG equals to 180 degree minus this angle, which is angle A, and this angle that is half of angle B, right? Minus angle A. So we know that angle A is larger than angle B, right? That means half of angle A plus angle B, and so we're calculating the half of angle B plus angle A, right? Because angle A is larger than angle B, that means this one is larger than this one, right? Which means angle CDE is larger than angle CFG, right? Angle CDE, this angle is larger than angle CFG. Okay. Now we know that CE, because this angle equals to this one equals to this one, so we know that CE equals to CA, which is B, right? And CG equals to CB, which is A here. So we can calculate for the length of CE, which is CE equals to DE divided by this one, that is sine angle B, times this one, that is sine angle CDE. And it equals to B, right? Similarly, CG equals to GF divided by sine angle A times sine angle CFG, which equals to A. Right, now we look at these two equations here. DE equals to GF, that's the thing we already know. And because angle A equals to, angle A is larger than angle B, that means the sine angle A is larger than sine angle B, right? Which makes this term to be larger than this term, right? And because angle CDE is larger than angle CFG, makes this term to be larger than this term, which means B should be larger than A, right? But from here, we know that AC is less than BC, which means B is smaller than A. You see the confliction here? Which means the conception, the assumption is not valid, right? So AC doesn't equals to BC is invalid, which means AC equals to BC. Okay, so for this problem, it was a IMO candidate problem, but to be honest, I don't think it's hard enough for IMO computation. Anyway, this is a good practice, I think. Okay, I hope you like this video. See you in next one. Thank you.